Another signature Covert edition F150 right here at your source for everything auto. Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. This vehicle customized by us here at Willies Custom Accessories. Check out that awesome illuminated Ford emblem. That's the signature look. We're the only ones I know of doing it around here. We really do like it. A Velocity Blue F150 2019 model XLT 302A package. Typically comes with a magnetic gray grille. We painted this grille body color to really give it that signature custom look. Really fits nicely. We installed a ReadyLift 2.25 inch level kit. Enabled us to run 22 by 10 fuel Contra gloss black and milled wheels. Wrapped in 33, 12.5, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, the hybrid tire. A great combo. We really love the Velocity Blue color with this wheel and tire combo. Gives it a good signature stance. Let's walk around to the back. This being the Sport 4x4 gives you body color door handles and bumpers, which we really like. See that nice illuminated Ford emblem in the rear also. Looking great. Wheel well liners by Ford. Kind of clean up that look. Doesn't look unfinished. Now all XLT trucks do not come with tailgate assist. So this one does. Hit the tailgate. Doesn't drop down abruptly. Otherwise it drops down really nice and smooth. Really like that feature there. The Covert edition of Willies, this is our first in Velocity Blue. We like the combo and setup. Think it turned out really great. Come see us for more right here at Willies, Akins Ford.